Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. We change our house lock once in a while for safety, or update our phone's unlock code to keep it secure. Same goes with cPanel. Your website's cPanel password also needs to remain strong and up to date. And today, we're going to talk about something fundamental but super important: how to change your cPanel account password. Why? Because cPanel is like the control room of your entire website. Everything from your site's files, emails, to databases is managed here. And if the password falls into the wrong hands, it's like someone stealing the keys to your house. That's why updating and securing your cPanel password is so necessary. But wait, when it comes to website security, the hosting provider you choose matters just as much. That's why I personally recommend YouStable. With YouStable, you get a free SSL certificate, advanced security features, and super easy access to cPanel, where you can change your password or manage anything without any technical headache. And the best part? Their 24/7 support team is always ready to help. Without further ado, let's dive into today's tutorial. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Preferences section and click Password and Security. Enter your old password. Now you can fill in your new password either manually or generate it automatically. To generate it automatically, click Password Generator. Now, copy and save the generated password carefully. It will be the new password. Now click to use the generated password. It automatically fills the column of the new password. Click the Change Your Password Now button. That's it. We have successfully changed the password. Now you can log in with the newly generated password. Thank you for watching.